This is going to be our best What the Truck Wednesday video ever. What's up, everybody? Russell and Tom here, or as Yogi the Bear 25 likes to call us, the Drippy Boys. That's because he liked our shirts on the last video. And also Robo Sparky, he liked the shirts. So thanks, guys, for paying attention to what we wear on a regular basis. Yeah. Our Mad Drip.
Sick.
Steez.
Yes.
Steez of the week.
So Riz.
Riz.
That's what the kids are saying these
really?
days.
Because I asked my kids about Drip and Steez, and they had never heard it. And they're pretty hip.
Well, it's tough. I mean, I think it depends on like what school, what area of town. You know, so you know, when they get higher grades, when they get in high school, then it all just comes together.
It all makes sense.
Because we've got two options at that point.
Two options. What are the two options?
Well, Capital and Olympia.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Right. All right, so let's see what we have here for you today. We have some valve covers and the gaskets for the VQ40.
Yeah.
Now that motor is a powerhouse, in my opinion. It was used in the D40 Frontier, the second gen Xterra 2005 to 2015, and it was also used in the NV 2500 passenger van, which hauls a lot of weight. I don't know if you've seen one of those loaded up with people going to church. Yeah. That's a lot of weight.
Yeah, it is.
And that's the exact same motor and the exact same specs that they used in the second gen Xterra, which is crazy. Yeah. It's like almost 300 horses, almost 300 foot-pounds of torque.
Which is plenty of power, really.
Which is insane that they would use that in those same two vehicles.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I've never driven one with it loaded up with, you know, I've never driven one, actually.
You've never driven one at church before?
Yeah. So.
You've never loaded up
it might be a
all
dog.
11 of your kids?
Yeah.
To Sunday school, Russell?
But
yeah, let's have a look at these valve covers.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you get anything, I mean, these are all very popular vehicles, Frontier and Xterra. Frontier especially, they made it forever. We know that, which is going to be a good thing for you guys who grab them later in life because there'll be parts readily available for them, I think. Right. But the valve covers are, I looked at our service history just in our shop. Now, we're not a very big dealership. I'm going to throw that out there. We're pretty small, medium sized. And we do two to three of these a month, consistently, sets, 2 to 3 sets of these a month. And generally what happens is the valve cover gaskets leak and also the tube seals leak. So if you need, what?
Go ahead.
If you need tube seals, you got to get the valve covers. And then obviously you're replacing the gaskets, which we have a kit now available on our website that includes all of that. So you just hit add to cart, order one kit, and it's not too bad. It's actually pretty inexpensive for all of it. Now those do have the vacuum fittings and the PCV valve on the one side, which is really cool that it comes with that because, yeah, you don't want to reuse your old PCV valve clogged up.
All right, so I'm looking at these valve covers and the spark plug tube seals. They do not look like they're coming out. So I'd be wary of an aftermarket place selling you spark plug tube seals. And also, if you take a look here, where you bolt it down onto the head, these are not reinforced with metal at all. Right. So torque specs, critical. Otherwise, you're going to break off one of these ears, and you're going to be mad. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to give you the torque spec because it might vary from vehicle to vehicle. And I did not have a chance to look that up, so sorry guys and girls.
Yeah, find out before you replace them.
Right, so let's change gears. That's my new thing I like to say on What the Truck Wednesdays. Okay. Let's change gears a little bit, and let's talk about some comments we got on the Titan Diesel video from last week. Yeah. Overall, it seemed like people had positive things to say about the Titan Diesel. There was a couple of people. Bill said he was not a fan because he's had to replace a lot of coolers on them. And so it seems like it was split. If you're working on these vehicles, you're not that much of a fan. If you own one with a warranty, it's the best truck you've ever owned. That's what at least that's based on the comments.
Yeah, I think so. I think that, And I think that diesel mechanics are a special breed of mechanics.
They have to be.
And if you, I mean, it's kind of like a transmission guy. If you got a guy that likes working on transmissions, you're not going to go across the shop and ask some random in the shop to say, hey, I need you to rebuild this auto transmission. They're going to be like, no, not going to happen. So, yeah. I mean, I think that goes to say for like electric cars too. I mean, we got guys in the shop that, you know, they know them, they love working on them. I'm sure there's guys in the shop that are just like, I'm not touching that thing.
Right.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, we got a couple guys here that are diesel specialists. I mean, they're across the board. They're master mechanics.
Yeah.
But it always seems like whenever we get a Titan diesel, and the same 2 or 3 guys always end up working on it.
Yeah.
And let's go in another direction. D21 crowd. They always show up in the comments.
Yes.
Shane Tyler, he said, Hardbody, God's truck since 1986. Now, I think that was an official statement on an ad from Nissan.
Really?
I think it was.
Oh,
okay. It wasn't.
It could have been.
It should have been, if it wasn't.
It probably was somewhere.
So a good one, Shane Tyler, if that's a Shane Tyler original comment there. God's truck, Hardbody, God's truck since 1986. I forgot to hold up the valve cover gasket from the earlier topic of the valve covers. Kind of a no-brainer, but we got these in stock if you need them.
Now, you have a new special interest.
I do. And I've been sending you links on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm sure you get them and you just, oh God, why does this guy keep sending me this?
Well, my ads have just completely shifted now.
Just camping gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I like camping, so yeah, nothing wrong with that.
I wanted to ask the viewers if any of you go camping with your Nissan, overlanding, off-roading. That's kind of a dated term now. Nobody off-roads. Everybody overlands these days. Yeah. Wheeling. Do you go wheeling in your Nissan? How about stealth camping? That's trending. That is trending. Anyway, I've been recently getting into this stuff from my armchair. I did buy some camping gear. But if you go camping, overlanding, wheeling, etc., in your Nissan, and you have an Instagram account, leave a comment.
Yeah.
Because I want to go check out your rig and your gear, because I'm buying stuff right now and I need to know what other people use and recommend, approve, or disapprove of.
Yeah. We'd love to follow you guys too on Instagram. If you Instagram, YouTube, whatever, we'd love to see what you guys got going on, and if that's your thing, we're into it.
And if I deem that your rig and gear is cool, I will follow you from one of my burner accounts on Instagram.
All right, so if you're on the email list, last week you probably got an email about some closeouts. Big summer blowout, getting rid of some clothing.
I was going to do the big summer, big summer blowout.
Yeah, Camry on Bronze, Damon actually messaged me and was like, hey, was that like intentional? Were you? And I was like, yeah, I should have included the Yoo-hoo thing on there.
You should have.
But I didn't.
Infringement.
Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble. So you guys need to make sure you head to our website. We've got these Frontier t-shirts, $9.99 shipped.
That's free shipping.
Come on. And these are nice shirts. Like, these shirts are super soft.
Real nice.
Yeah, I really love these. I'm really picky about my t-shirts, and I like these. Like, I have one in every color because they are so comfy. Head to the description of the video. There'll be a link to where you can find these shirts. We are limited on sizes, but if you will hit the contact for availability button, that'll send Tom an email, tell him what you want.
What size?
Size.
Quantity.
Color, quantity. Yeah. And he will either send you a link or tell you, hey, we're out of that size, or we have that size in this color, and see if that's what you want. But $9.99 shipped. Get them while you can, because once these are gone, we're not going to order any more of them.
And these are an official Nissan product. These are not something that we found on Amazon or Shine. Or any of those websites.
Wish.
So yeah, if you like the shirts that Russell has been showing you on the footage there, send us a, what would you call it, a request?
Yeah.
Send us a request.
Yeah.
And I will fix you up personally.
And thank you for checking out our What the Truck Wednesday video this week, and we'll see you Friday and next Wednesday if that's the only day you come and see us.
Yeah, 2 days. We'll see you in 2 days.
2 days.
So come back and hang out.
Peace.